I went from doctor to doctor to doctor and no one would help me. And then I walked in one day and Jason was there.
When I came in here and met him for the first time, I could pretty well see that he was a good guy to talk to.
He's just wonderful in going over everything with us.
I've got great doctors, but Jason brings them together. Like I go to 3 people and he brings them, he talks to each one of those doctors and he brings it all together.
I think it's just basically putting the patients first and not imposing your own agenda upon them as far as their treatment plans and goals. It's kind of listening to what they have to say and what their expectations are.
When I came here for my prescription, I found out that he was a diabetic pharmacist. I just told him about my symptoms, how my body reacts adversely to different things. And he just worked with the information I gave him. And he actually basically saved my life.
4 o'clock in the morning, my alarm went off. I was having a low, but it's also connected to his phone.
I get an alarm on my phone.
And he checked it.
And I noticed that his blood sugars dropped from probably like 7 or 8 or something in a fairly normal-ish range down to less than 3. And I was like, oh, that's a big deal. And I was right about to give him a call back. But then right after that, we went right back to normal.
I was shocked when he already knew what had happened when I came in and he started talking to me about it.
It wasn't even my idea originally. It was the mom's idea. She used some Lysol spray in her kid's room and said it was to keep the monsters away. Kid wouldn't buy it, so she gives the pharmacy a call and says, would you mind just printing off some labels or something like that to make my Lysol look more legit? And I'm like, well, yeah, but I mean, if we're gonna do this, we're gonna do it right. So I go in the back. I just take some distilled water, throw some mint extract in there to make it smell nice. And there's some evidence of aromatherapy being helpful. So I look up a little bit of what might help with anxiety and with, I threw some drops of lavender in there and basically I just gave her both bottles and I'm like, here you go, tell me which one might work the best for you. And she throws it up online and next thing I know, I got reporters from like different news publications calling me and setting up interviews.
He's my guardian angel.
If you're happy, you should look happy. I'm happy. Yeah, life is good. I've got good patients, I got good staff. I can't ask for more.